Hi guys, welcome to Partners and Daddies and Lauren's Toys Assemble and Taskmaster and Spider-Man.
Yeah, today
We're being Thanos.
because we're celebrating
Yeah! Ooh.
Avengers Infinity War! These are some of the coolest characters from that wave. This is Iron Spider. Show the back, Lauren. Show the back of the Iron Spider. See? Look at her. Very nice. Look at very good details, huh? Nice gold and blue. And then who else is a favorite? Taskmaster. Even though there's a second version of him. We got a version, I think, a few waves ago. Now we get this white version. Very cool. It's got a pistol. That goes in the pistol holder here.
And
Got a nice sword and a nice shield. And a very cool cape.
It easily comes off.
It does easily come off. Here's another standout from that wave. Serpent Society's Cope. What's this guy's name? It just says Serpent Society. Klaus Voorhees. That's a very funny name, but it looks cool. Although it's a lot of reused parts. Here's an Iron Man from that wave. Oh, yeah. Another cool looking Iron Man.
Iron Man is there already.
I think he needs a little bit more paint, though, but very cool. So,
And Captain America's shield is not the same.
Captain America was the hardest one to find. And Taskmaster was also hard to find, but Captain America is still very limited release. You ready to put Thanos together?
Yeah.
The Mad Titan.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight him.
Okay, let's do Avengers Assemble! Bless you. You wanna put left arm or right arm first? You wanna put the head first? Oh, go for the piece de resistance, okay. It looks like a raisin head. Put it on. Nice snap. Okay, Nora, which one? This is the right arm or the left arm. It's left arm. Let's get this in.
Look, Dad, this is the baby arm. Look, this is the baby
I'm
arm.
the Mad Titan.
Look, the baby arm again.
Let's get the baby arm on. Assemble.
And the legs.
It's like Voltron.
Look.
Now the legs.
Look, yeah.
Cause he can't fight without legs, right?
Look, yeah.
Thanos is so powerful he can use his legs to fight without him. Left leg on. Now forms the right leg.
Hey, you made me fall down.
Together we are Thanos, ruler of the universe.
We have to fight him, Spider-Man.
Bless you.
Let's fight him.
That's what he looks like.
Daddy,
That's Josh Brolin.
Daddy, look, let's fight
There's the
him.
Infinity Gauntlet. You
Daddy.
wanna fight?
Yeah.
You think you can fight me? I got the Infinity Gauntlet.
But you know
All the stones. All the stones.
But
See
you know
that?
I have 3 stuff.
You have a shield. I have a bald head. And Spider-Man. Oh! Cha.
Me,
Yeah. I have a cool looking skirt. You see that? Yeah. Kick.
Sword.
Oh no, he uses the packaging to defeat Thanos.
Yeah.
Right? You are cheating. You are using the box to defeat Thanos.
I don't need a
Anyway.
sword.
Got ab crunch.
Go.
Yeah.
I don't need anything.
Swivel.
Then look.
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Taskmaster does not need anything.
Double jointed knees. Yeah.
I don't want to.
A little bit of foot swivel here. Foot Pivot. Not
Wow.
bad, not bad.
Lauren,
Wrist
Taskmaster's
switch.
great. I like
Swivel here.
Spider-Man. Daddy, I want Spider-Man.
Single elbow, looks like. Bicep, and shoulder, and then head. Yeah, looks nice. Very casual. It's Casual Friday for Thanos. He only wears armors on work days.
Daddy, who is here now?
Whoa, it's battle damaged Iron Man. No, it's Iron Man. Is it 47?
I am not
From Spider-Man Homecoming? He is not battle damaged, just the helmet. Show off the helmet. Show off the helmet damage.
My helmet looks like scratched.
Ooh. And this is the trailer.
Who are you?
Oh no! Reversal. Okay. Anything else you want to say, Parker?
I wanna fight.
You want to fight? Okay.
Bye-bye.
Fight. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. See you.
See you next video.
Come on.